waziri wa mang'ana y'echinse chaisiko oyubo igore omonene bwa bawaziri imeyense Musalia Mudavadi oraire omoyega bwokubekero chigutwa asa aborokigwa ba Catholic University of Eastern Africa asaruro Koboria gochi asa Abasae Gotumia emitandao gose technology Buya.
The government continues to expand opportunities for research and innovation to drive transformation in Kenya and across the Eastern Africa region. This year, His Excellency President William Ruto established a fully fledged State Department for Science, Research and Innovation, which now falls under my office as the Prime Cabinet Secretary. Additionally, the Kenya National Innovation Agency, a state corporation, mandated to develop and manage the national innovation system, is implementing the Research to Commercialization R2C program in partnership with the United Kingdom. The initiative supports researchers, academics, and entrepreneurs in transforming innovative ideas into viable enterprises that create jobs and drive wealth creation. I encourage today's graduates, under the Catholic University of East Africa's guidance, to seize the opportunity offered by such programs to turn their innovations into impactful solutions.